that, oh my gosh, we're at the beach. Okay, I've got to be serious. Welcome to our behind the scenes shoot of final day of the Sonini video shoot. Milan's getting his makeup done. Who's the girl here? I mean, I'm ready. Made up, makeup, everything. As you can see, ready for action. Is he?
Go ahead and make some noise. You don't know my pain and cannot see my joy.
Welcome to KZN. How beautiful.
Always been a fan of Unathi since after I think I bought an album in honor. Since then, then I followed her career in music, and then she was one of the people who was successful that I would love to work with. So after the success of Kozeguse, and then I was doing my album, full album, because Kozeguse was just a single. So I asked one guy because I'm a project director.
I think that's why Usonini speaks to so many people, because I think siyazibona sikwindawo, and facing difficulties, and sometimes we don't even know if we're gonna get out, never mind how we're gonna get out. And God always finds a beautiful way of just saying, my child, your pain wasn't in vain. And that's how Sonini came about. And